If you are serious about getting ahead in your field, you go to the experts. And when it comes to dredging, Royal IHC can provide the practical experience and in-depth knowledge you need to improve your capabilities. Through the IHC Training Institute, we share our knowledge and experience of dredging with technical and non-technical professionals from many dredging-related industries. In an intensive 2-week dredging course, our trainers break down the dredging way of working from A to Z and show you the details involved in every step. This includes design of dredging work, the scoping of site conditions, hydrographic surveying, selecting the right equipment, maintenance of dredging equipment, and execution and monitoring of dredging works. During the course, you will learn more about the dredging market, costing, environmental and safety aspects, hydraulic transportation, dredge project management and dredge production optimization are covered in detail. The dredging course is highly interactive and includes excursions to Europe's largest seaport. It also features guest lectures from industry experts and a unique experience of hydraulic and mechanical dredger simulators. Profit from the dredging knowledge and hands-on experience that only IHC can deliver. Learn from the experts and become more autonomous, efficient and effective in your work as an engineer or manager. Enroll in our general dredging course now and look beyond your horizon.